Become a better driver. Vehicle safety tips. Surely you will become a better driver if you adhere strictly to vehicle safety tips. Vehicle tips refers to practical advice, suggestion, or guidance related to various aspects of maintaining and driving a vehicle. Here we have 9 safety tips for drivers to follow. 1. Wear seat belts. Buckle up. Do not drive without putting on your seat belt. It may save your life. Buckle up. Either you are at the back seat or front seats, including children. Put on seat belts for any passengers or anybody that is inside the vehicle. 2. Do not drink and drive. Do not take any drugs or alcohol in order to influence your driving habits. 3. Avoid night journey. Yes, avoiding night journey is so necessary because if any crash or any problem or any accident happen to you in the night, you have no assistance from anywhere. 4. Use turn signals. Once you are to take another road or you want to turn, you must have to put on your signals at least 400 meters away before you turn. This is necessary because other drivers that are following you at the back, they will equally slow down and know what to do. 5. Do not use text and drive. That is, when you are driving, do not use your handset to send text messages or to take pictures or to look at some applications that is entering your phone. Do not tamper with your phone while driving, because if there is any problem, any crisis, it will lead to death or injuries. 6. Obey speed limits. Maintain your speed limits. We are all aware that while you are on highway as a car, you are driving or your speed limit should not exceed 100 km/h. So always obey your speed limit. 7. Avoid overloading. This is necessary because overloading stresses your vehicle. Overloading causes wear and tear on your vehicle. So do not overload. 8. Avoid lane indiscipline. Learn to maintain your lane always. That is, if you are on the road and you want to enter another road, you have to be careful. You look at the back and the front before entering another lane. By so doing, you will have no problem with other vehicles on the road. Look at the back and the front to avoid crashes. 9. Respect stop or slow-moving vehicles. Slow-moving vehicles or stops vehicles, they equally have right of road. Make sure you do not harass them by putting on your horn unnecessarily, which might lead to aggression. Give them their own right of way, because even you want to overtake them, you have to look back, look front. Make sure the road is free for you before you can overtake. These safety tips will help drivers to maintain steady drive, will help drivers to drive with care. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share to colleagues so that they too will benefit from this message. Thank you.